Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kaliman Fadila, number identity T5002101115. I'm from Chemical Engineering, Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. And here I show my presentation. The title is Undergraduate Program in Chemical Engineering. Chemical engineering is the science which studies in technology of factory design. The intended factory may be a chemical factory, bioprocess, food, and some other. Almost all manufacturing facilities in the world are designed by the chemical engineering graduates. Factory designs here are the engineering of process carried out within the factory itself, such as the reaction design within a reactor to achieve intended product, designing a system in utilizing energy resources within a factory, performing process control, and so on. Not only designing factories, in this program, students will also learn how to carry out chemical or biological processes within as well as outside the factory, faster and more efficiently to achieve certain results. The example often seen in our daily life of fermentation process, such as in making yogurt, bread, cheese, say sausage, etc. Some other examples are gas and oil refinery process in production of fuel, solar, and biofuel. The world's demand for industries keeps increasing, which subsequently demand the increase in the capacity of a chemical engineer graduate to handle industrial problems. The existing issues of clean industrialization poses new challenges for chemical engineering field for the study program to also encompass the study of accomplishing sustainable development. In the practice, a chemical engineering graduate will be asked to design new processes for factories, as well as to improve existing processes. Initially, chemical engineering graduates will start the job with calculating mass and energy balance within the process of a certain factory. At this step, the engineer is able to find out the production capacity, the amount of raw materials required, up to the number of products made, and designing industrial processes. Several other factors should also be considered, such as the production process reliability, the production cost, and the safety factor to avoid accident within the factory, such as explosion, etc. At the following stage, bioreactor design is carried out, as well as designing the piping system, determining energy utilization, and process control system. In the instance where the production was and a chemical engineering graduate short also designed the Western processing system to minimize its effect on the environment. On the other hand, a chemical engineering graduate might also be assigned to increase the production capacity of a certain factory. For example, from 500 tons per year to 1,000 tons per year. Job prospect. A chemical engineer alumni can have a considerable job prospect and all industry are failed as follows. Number one, the chemical process industry, like the fertilizer, petroleum treatment, paper, polymer, gas, metals, food, medicine, and so on. Number two, engineering service, the design of chemical process, the, the procurement of plant equipment, the manufacturing of construction of chemical plants. Number three, government agency. Number four, institution of education. Number five, research agency. Number six, bank. Number seven, entrepreneurship. Okay, that's all. And now the Q&A session. Any question? Yes. Why did you choose chemical engineering study program? Because the chemical engineering study program has very broad job prospect, and I also really like experimenting in the laboratory. Is there any feedback? No, thank you. Any more questions? Yes. Based on outstanding issues, why can it be called chemical engineering if the subject is a lot of science? Because the process goes through a chemical process while the calculation use a lot of science, but basically there is still chemistry. Well, that seems to be enough. I close the Q&A session. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.